Hello, this is Esavural from For the Wall. We're at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. In our previous video, we already started a meeting. Once we start the meeting, as you can see in our delegate units, we are currently prompted to enter our pins, or RFID badges was chosen as the authentication method. But of course, this can be changed. It doesn't have to ask for your PIN every time you start a meeting, but for security purposes, this was decided as such. So let's start with our PIN. This unit you see here will be our delegate, standard delegate, and this unit you see here will be our chairman. So we can see here the meeting and the agenda. Here the agenda, the first agenda is already activated. It is apparently opening remarks and introduction. There is some brief information about the agenda that we can see here. Also, other agenda topics and subtopics can also be found here. Legislative actions to mitigate the effects of global warming. This is the name of the main agenda item, and all others are its subtopics. So here, for example, there is a break. When we activate the first break, it will say the first break, now the meeting is currently on break. And here, for example, there's a voting agenda. And here you can see some documents related to this agenda, which was added in the administrator page that we saw before. Let's start with the first one. So there is a meeting, and this is a discussion agenda. So once a delegate one makes a speech request, like so, the delegate one now asks for the floor. Maybe also the second delegate or the third delegate asks for the floor. The chairman can accept this or decline. Let's accept this one. Now when I accept this, you will see that the microphone color will change, indicating that currently this delegate is speaking. And afterwards, I can finish it here, or the delegate can finish it there. So at this point, you can see that there was a timer. The timer can be changed, and all the rules and actions are also fully customizable. Let's change the agenda item, a voting agenda. Right now, all the other delegates have been informed and alarmed that voting is about to take place, but it has not started yet. And now, again, I would like to underline that the whole design here is customizable. Let us start the voting process. As per the rules set for this voting agenda, everybody votes, as well as the chairman himself. Let's say accept maybe. So at the moment, as per the rules of this voting agenda, this voting meeting template, the chairman can see on live how many voters have been cast, what are the numbers of non-voters. When the timer runs out, it can be countdown in this case, of course, the meeting will automatically end, the voting will automatically end, but if he wants, the chairman can end it right now and see the results. They can also broadcast the results to other delegates to see. Together with our digital signage and control pad platform, HCP, these results can also be shown on a digital signage board on an LED screen. Afterwards, we can see there can be some service categories, additional requirements, and with another module to call maintenance or to call for some drinks or some additional items. The portfolios can be seen here for each delegate. If you have any PDFs about their CV or any other information, this can be seen here. The previous voting results will be seen here. Everything is logged in. And so this is pretty much the basics of our HCP HERA Conference Platform. Thank you very much for listening. We hope to see you again soon.